What if a Dune Buggy was built for war? Meet the Chenowth Scorpion DPV, a lightweight desert combat machine engineered for speed, agility, and rapid strike missions. Developed by Chenowth Racing Products, this high-performance military vehicle dominates harsh desert terrain with a rear-mounted 2.0-liter air-cooled VW-based engine pushing nearly 200 horsepower. It can race across sand at speeds up to 80 miles per hour. With a 200-mile operational range, extended by auxiliary fuel bladders, it's built for deep reconnaissance and fast attacks. Its tubular frame and advanced suspension ensure unmatched mobility, though minimal armor means survival depends on speed, strategy, and precision.
What if war moved in total silence? Meet the Reckless UTV, a next-generation all-electric military beast built for modern combat zones. Developed by Nicola Corporation and based on the NZT platform, this machine delivers a massive 555 horsepower from 4 electric motors. It hits speeds up to 96 kilometers per hour while carrying 4 personnel and a 635-kilogram payload. Built on a rugged 4x4 chassis with long travel suspension and Kevlar-reinforced tires, it dominates extreme terrain. Its modular design even supports remote weapons systems, making it perfect for reconnaissance, rapid deployment, and high-performance combat support missions.
What if one vehicle could conquer any battlefield? Meet the Supercat HMT MK3, a high-mobility tactical powerhouse built for modern warfare. Developed by Supacat, this rugged transporter runs on a Cummins diesel engine and advanced independent air suspension to dominate extreme terrain. Available in 4x4 or extended 6x6 configurations, the base model carries up to 2.5 tons and reaches speeds near 120 kilometers per hour. Designed for special forces and rapid deployment missions, it can be air transported and quickly fitted with armor or mission-specific systems. Versatile, powerful, and combat-proven, this machine delivers mobility, protection, and tactical superiority anywhere.
Small size, massive impact. Meet the Renault WWII, a compact French tracked carrier that quietly powered the battlefield in the early years of World War II. Developed in the 1930s, this 2.8-meter vehicle ran on a 38-horsepower engine and could transport or tow nearly 1 ton of vital supplies across rough terrain. With 9 millimeters of armor and speeds up to 30 kilometers per hour, it delivered reliability over firepower. Though usually unarmed, its small footprint allowed it to access tight, dangerous areas larger vehicles couldn't reach. In war, logistics win battles, and the Renault WWII proved it.
What if the battlefield had a robotic partner? Meet the iRobot ArGator, an unmanned ground vehicle built to work where soldiers shouldn't have to. Developed by iRobot on the trusted John Deere M422 platform, it operates in manual, remote-controlled, or fully autonomous modes. Weighing around 1,450 pounds and reaching speeds up to 35 miles per hour, it transports supplies, scouts terrain, patrols perimeters, and follows troops with precision. Equipped with real-time video and sensor systems, the ArGator enhances situational awareness while reducing risk. Smart, efficient, and reliable, this robot is redefining modern military support operations. What if armor didn't mean slow and heavy? Meet the Plasan Wilder, an ultra-light armored vehicle redefining battlefield mobility. Designed by Plasan, this 3.7-ton machine seats 4 in a centrally positioned cabin with panoramic visibility and STANAG 4569 Level 2 ballistic protection. Powered by a mid-mounted diesel engine and 8-speed automatic transmission, it drives all 4 wheels through advanced suspension with 370 millimeters of wheel travel. With an 800-kilogram payload and optional remote or autonomous operation, the Wilder dominates reconnaissance, patrol, and rapid tactical missions. Lightweight, protected, and mission-ready, this is next-generation combat mobility.
Small size, big battlefield impact. Meet the M422 Mighty Mite, a compact 4x4 engineered for the United States Marine Corps. Built by American Motors Corporation between 1959 and 1962, this lightweight machine weighed just 1,700 pounds. Powered by an air-cooled AMC AV108 aluminum V4 engine producing 52 horsepower, it could reach speeds up to 62 miles per hour. Designed for helicopter transport, it featured full independent suspension, limited slip differentials, and exceptional off-road agility. Minimal in style but maximum in performance, the Mighty Mite proved that lightweight innovation can deliver serious tactical capability in demanding military operations.
Compact, aggressive, mission-ready. Meet the Polaris MV850 Military ATV, a tactical all-terrain vehicle built for the toughest battlefield conditions. Manufactured by Polaris Inc., it runs on a 77-horsepower, 850cc twin-cylinder engine with on-demand all-wheel drive and active descent control. Designed for a single operator, it carries up to 850 pounds of payload and tows an impressive 1,500 pounds. Rugged steel racks, a full underbody skid plate, and blackout or infrared lighting make it perfect for reconnaissance and rapid deployment. Lightweight yet powerful, the MV850 delivers mobility, reliability, and tactical performance when every second counts.